This video is a guide only. There may be specific instructions for your seat which will differ from our video guide. You must refer to your seat's instruction manual to be sure you are installing your seat in line with the manufacturer's instructions. Refer to the Child Restraints Instruction Manual and place your child in the seat before installing to check the correct harness and headrest heights and crotch buckle position. It can be difficult to adjust these in a forward-facing seat once it's been installed. Place the child restraint on your vehicle's seat. When installing a forward-facing seat, always ensure your vehicle's headrest does not push the child seat or its headrest forward. If it does, extend the vehicle headrest, take it out and reinsert it in reverse, or remove it completely. Pull the seat belt out as far as it will go. A handy tip is to fasten it with a peg to stop it retracting while installing. Making sure there are no twists in the belt, you now split the belt and guide the lap portion under the armrest and the sash portion over the shoulder part of the seat shell. Thread the belt through the gap in the seat shell to the back of the seat. Take it right through the seat, not just behind the fabric. Pass the belt across the back of the seat, making sure the belt passes under the harness, and bring it back through to the front through the other gap. Guide both portions of the belt under the armrest and click it in. Be sure to check your particular seat's instructions, as this part of the installation can differ between brands. Now pull the top layer of the seat belt to get tension on the belt. You can put weight on the seat while doing this. While keeping the tension on the belt, pull the slack of the sash portion back through the seat. Then, remove the peg and let the belt fully retract. Now check the seat to make sure it is secure. To do this, take hold of the restraint beside the belt path and pull side to side. There must not be too much movement. Undo the buckle and lengthen the harness. Place the harness out of the way of the child. Place the child in the seat, making sure their bottom and back are well back against the restraint. Position the harness over the shoulders, making sure the harness is coming through the slot which is in line with or slightly above the child's shoulders. Position the harness tongues together and insert into the buckle at the same time. Then pull the tensioning strap to tighten the harness until you can get just one finger between the child and the harness.